In-order natin sardines and saka french fries. So, masarap naman. So, ngayon titikman natin. So, ito natin kung malasa ito. Kumain na tayo. So, may tartar sauce sila dito. Sarap. Ito order nga pala ni Marine na yan. So, ito ang sarap. Ito pati buto makakain mo guys.
You like? Lap?
Yeah. So yan guys, lalagyan natin ng lemon. So ayan guys. This is a salt. Salt. Yes, so masarap yung sardines nila. I think it's better to use my hand.
Yeah.
It's very hard to
Use your hands. I think those bones you can eat. You like? This is sardines, baby.
So guys, madalang kasi ako makakain ng sardine ng isda dito. Sarap. Sarap. Ganda guys. Isasawa sila para mayonnaise, para masarap tartar sa sabaw ko.
You go here, everything okay?
Oh, super.
Yeah, very nice. With the cherry tomato. Very nice. So, ang sarap guys. Dahil kasi ako makain ng sardines ng isda.
I think you can eat everything, the head, everything.
Yeah, I eat the head, but some of the bone is you cannot swallow.
Yeah.
No.
Then you spit them.
There. Guys, ang sarap. Kain tayo guys. Sarap. Kasi Marin, hindi siya kumakain ng isda. Kaya kami yung kanya. Ako kasi guys, namimiss ko talaga ng isda. Sarap talaga. Spice and Coke. Sarap talaga guys. Tara kain tayo guys. Yung ulo, ang sarap na. So kasi guys, talaga guys, ang sarap. Pero wala na akong lemon eh. Pag Pilipina ka talaga, hanap-hanapin may mga pagkain isda, ganun. Oh my god, it's sarap.
You have 4 more small sardines. You can do that. Huh? I think you can. I believe in you. If you can't eat the fries, I will help you. But not with the sardines.
Ano sa ulo?
Ayan.
Sarap pag may lemon. What they are doing?
They have a guide with them. They are on the tourist list.
Kaya pala may tourist, ano sila guide, tourist guide. Kaya ng iyang ko yan.
Yeah, like that. Then you can eat the meat. If you want the head, you know what to do.
The head.
Tartar sauce, very nice. Good girl.
So, sabi nila, pag kinakain ko yung ulo,
Fries.
nandidiri sila. Kasi hindi sila kumakain daw ng ulo. Sayang yung ulo. Pag Pilipina ka, kaya mo kainin yung ulo ng isda. You have a beautiful cold here, the sardines. In the Philippines, this is called, we call tamban,
Yeah.
with a lot of bone.
No, this is real small sardines. They have bigger also.
Yeah, we have this
It's
in the
easier to
Philippines.
eat this one. You can buy this in the store, in the tube, like a Maya.
Yeah.
Ayan, only one left. Come on. Dip in the tartar sauce. You don't like?
I think it's good.
Yeah, if you dip in the tartar sauce, I think it's good. That's what it's for. Ayan. And guys, look how cute she is.